happening? No! 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 Help! Somebody help me!
I have to fix the roof.
I'm so hungry!
This is for you.
Oh.
Thank you! What's going on?
Phil, come with me. No, no! Give Phil back to me. Phil, no! Please don't leave me.
Huh? This room is so beautiful. Please don't hurt me.
Hello, kid. Welcome to Happy City.
Who are you? What's Happy City?
The world of Sprunky is divided into two halves. One side is Happy City, the other is the town of Sorrow. I am the owner of Happy City. I select the lucky few who are allowed to live in Happy City. The existence of this place is a secret.
Can I bring Jake here too?
No, absolutely not. Come on, kid, cheer up.
This is amazing! I wonder how Jake is doing now. No! 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 I need to hurry! I'll disguise myself as a soldier to escape!
So hungry. Why are you here?
I'm taking you to paradise! Oh no!
Capture them! You think you came here to enjoy life? No! You're just tools for me to drain energy, to keep Happy City alive! Throw those two kids in!
You will never surrender.
What the heck is this? You brats! Let me out!
We have one more thing to do. From now on, this city will be our new home.
This is amazing!